Here's a closer look at what's Kim Pao Discord channel.
Hi, good morning. 早上好. Hozaki, maing buntag, magandang umaga sa lahat. Sorry about the first tutorial video getting cut short by accident last night. Let's pick up where we left off. And here's a closer look at what's inside the Kim Pao Discord channel and how it is set up. And by the way, as of today, August 29, 2024, at exactly 8:59 in the morning, the channel has already reached an incredible 18,673 members in just 3 days since it was created last Monday, August 26, 2024. Now, for those who have not joined yet, let me show you around. So this is the what's inside. Makikita mo dito yung mga different channels. May mga may mga Visayas channel, General Chat 2. When you click on it, ito yung lalabas. Merong Luzon Chat, merong Visayas Chat, Mindanao Chat. You click it one by one. Tapos may international chat, may Kim Pao edits, yung mga ayuda ng mga kapwa natin shipper, ng mga Kim Pao fans. And may mga social media, TV shows, yung mga clippings, no? So, sample yan ng kung anong meron sa loob. Yung mga kantahan, music. Meron pa nga ding mga ganito. Mga ine-edit from the Kim Pao supporters. Share nila. So at least dito,
binabalik kung ako'y nasaktan noon, bumawi naman sa
hindi exage yung mga kwento kasi moderated siya. So at nakikita mismo nila Kim Pao yon. So at least dito makapag-usap tayo na walang nega. Kaya simple rules na ginawa you see,
when I wake up, think of you again. You are my homie, lover and friend. Exactly why.
And others. No self-promotions. Don't try to incite drama or fights. No trolling or spamming. So, balik tayo dito. Pag kinlik mo yung mga different community chat channels, yun ang lalabas. Depende kung ano i-click mo. So, may mga sinishare, pwede ka rin mag-share. And meron ding announcement doon sa drop-down na yon kung ano yung announcement ni na Kim Pao. So, you'll hear it from them directly. So, yun. Ito yung mga ganap sa loob ng Kim Pao channel. And dito naman, pwede ka mag-share ng pets mo. Ito naman yung sugar glider ko. And actually, wala pa silang pangalan. But from now on, I'll call them Kimi and Polly. Kung hindi magagalit si Kim Chu and Paolo. But Avelino. But anyway, you can share your pets here in this channel. So, maraming iba't ibang channel dito. May music, may food, may sports, etc. Tara, mag-join na kayo. Halos lahat meron eh. May books, workout, memes, quotes, travel. Yung travel mo, pwede mo i-share dito. Para talaga kayong within the, one community. Then merong sports, games, anime, plants. Meron pang off-topic eh. Twitter party, channel suggestions, application for moderator. Kung sino yung gusto mag-apply as moderator for the Kim Pao channel cord, I think pwede kayo mag-apply dito kasi nilagay dito sa channel, community channel nila eh. So, I think one of the criteria siguro dapat tech savvy. So, halatang hindi ako pwede. Gustuhin ko man, hindi ko pwede. Well, that's all for now. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Kim Chu and Paolo Avelino for giving us something to look forward to every day after a long and tiring workload. Honestly, I'm not very tech savvy, as I've said earlier. Maybe because I'm a Gen Xer, or perhaps I'm just a bit too lazy to learn new things. But thanks to Kim Pao, I've found the motivation to explore the digital world, to explore the Discord channel, even though it's all new to me. This is the first time I've genuinely felt excited about shipping a celebrity couple. It's not something I usually do, but Kim Pao has definitely had a special impact on me. Tama nga yung sabi ng ibang vlogger, iba ang Kim Pao tandem. Nangyari by accident, and talagang sineryoso, pati sina Kim Pao ginawan pa tayo ng Discord channel. Kaya natutuwa ako. And that's it for now. 再见. See you again. Sa muli nating pagkikita. And kita kits, Kim Pao supporters, Kim Pao shippers, and Kim Pao fanatics. Thank you for listening. I'll be back.